Hello guys, it's your girl Mimi. Today I'm gonna be showing you in a brief tutorial how to carve a proper winged eyeliner. Stay tuned and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys. I draw a straight line right there at the angle of the eye. Then I draw an adjacent line to meet with the first line I drew. I'm going to be doing it again. You need a very pointy eyeliner to get the line straight. So the second line I'm going to extend right up to this point, and then I begin to fill in. There you have your winged liner.
Get the pago, get the party more, get the pago,